Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a technology that's both efficient and cost-effective when it comes to farming. Keep watching this video for more on automatic egg production machines that are at another level. From farm to shelf. Tens of thousands of female animals, generally hens, are held in modern egg farms in order to efficiently gather the eggs that they lay. Because farming is a business, efficiency is key, and every penny spent is closely monitored. If we think about eggs at all, we typically think of them as a convenient store-bought food. But in this video, we'll challenge you to delve a little deeper to go beyond the packaged products stacked high on a shelf and instead analyze the process that brings them to your neighborhood grocery store shelf. Egg producers believe it's their obligation to offer the best possible care and to produce safe, nutritious, and economical eggs. Farms have changed how they house and care for hens, as well as how they produce eggs, over time, adopting science-based techniques when new information and research becomes available. With this spirit of constant improvement, egg farms have improved health and productivity, increased food safety, and reduced environmental impact while still delivering a high-quality, inexpensive egg supply. The process of egg collection. A viable egg takes a female hen between 23 and 32 hours to create. The eggs are collected mechanically every day, brought to the hatchery, and kept at 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 70% humidity until they're placed in the incubator. Before being placed in an incubator, the eggs are kept for 3 to 7 days. Thousands of eggs are held in incubators in a highly regulated environment. The eggs are put into hatching baskets on the 18th day. The chicks hatch on the 21st day. After hatching, the chicks are removed from the hatchery and processed before being transported to pullet grow-out farms. The processing of chickens includes sexing, separating the males and females, and vaccination. They are then counted and packed in baskets before being sent to the farm between 12 and 48 hours after hatching. The chicks are then placed in either a cage or a floor-rearing home, depending on where they'll be grown as adults. The pullets are reared in this facility under environmentally controlled settings for the first 18 weeks of their lives. Controlling the length of daylight is critical for pullets so that they're not prompted to deposit eggs prematurely. After 60 to 65 weeks of laying, the chickens are rested or molted. This causes all of the chickens to cease laying at the same time, giving them time to rebuild calcium stores and regain physical condition. The hens are then returned to production for another laying cycle. Hens are kept for 1 to 3 laying cycles before being replaced with a new flock, depending on a variety of economic variables. Chickens lay fewer eggs and of worse quality in each consecutive cycle. However, the eggs are often larger as chickens mature. Every day, eggs are automatically gathered on belts and rollers and delivered to an egg processing room connected to the hen houses. Machines in the processing area wash, grade, and sort the eggs by size before packaging them for the entire egg market or shipping them to another processing plant. Some modern egg-breaking plants split the eggs into liquid eggs rather than cutting them. Further processing inline transforms the product into something more convenient or valuable in another form. Eggs, both liquid and dry, are utilized in a variety of consumer items. Convenient pre-cooked egg products are also becoming more popular in grocery stores and restaurants. This also adds value to the finished product. Inline operations occur when eggs are transported directly from the egg-laying farm to the egg-breaking or processing plant. The interval between when the eggs are laid and when they arrive at the egg processing plant is extremely brief. The majority of new complexes are inline systems designed to carry eggs straight from laying homes to the processing area through conveyors. Nest run refers to the eggs provided for breaking in these processes. The nest run eggs are unsized, unwashed, and ungraded eggs. If excellent flock management procedures are followed, a substantial percentage of the eggs collected by this approach are of first-rate quality. Another method of distributing eggs is through whole flats offline systems sourced from contract flocks. Contract flocks are chicken homes with which the corporation has an agreement to supply eggs. The eggs from offline systems may come from numerous chicken farms, and the age of the eggs may vary greatly. Eggs are palletized and transported to the processing facility after being placed in plastic filler flats. To avoid cross-contamination and the establishment of unsanitary conditions, these plastic flats must be carefully cleaned, sanitized, and dried after each use. Egg handling. The right handling of eggs is critical because it helps to prevent egg damage, minimizes quality loss, and avoids compromising egg safety. Production and egg breaking plants begins with the loading of eggs, which can be done inline or offline. Once the egg flats or nest run eggs arrive in the transfer room, they're loaded onto the offline conveyors and carried to conveyor spools before passing through the egg washers. When given for breaking, eggshells must be clean. Pressure sprays, rotating brushes, and an egg spinning device are used in modern egg washers to improve contact between the egg and the brush while minimizing egg damage. During the candling process, plant staff separate eggshells that are ineligible for breaking. The conveyor of eggshells continues to break room. Candling eggs is an important aspect of quality control. Eggs are mechanically spun numerous times over a bright light to evaluate the inside integrity of the egg during the candling process. The candling procedure's principal function is to eliminate dirty, cracked, and disqualified eggs prior to the breaking stage. This is an important phase in the shell egg processing. Depending on the segregation techniques, eggshell quality and classifications, and conveyor speed, egg product plants may feature more than one candling section. Employees at the plant sort, classify, and segregate the eggs to ensure that only eggs suitable for breaking enter the breaking room. Employees will remove inedible eggs during segregation to prevent the breaking procedure from being disrupted. Employees may substitute clean and sound shell eggs for any filthy, leaky, inedible, or lost eggs. Shell eggs are broken in the breaking room, and the liquid is removed from the shells. The breaking machine can separate the yolk from the liquid white egg product after the egg has been broken. The liquid egg flows into collection vats or balance tanks by gravity after shattering. To eliminate eggshells, a perforated plate placed within the vat functions as a filter. The liquid egg is routed via a filter before being routed to the cooling room. The liquid egg is pumped into a storage silo for further processing after chilling. Pasteurization. All egg products supplied into commerce must be pasteurized according to the Egg Product Inspection Act. Pasteurization entails fast heating the product and keeping it at a specified temperature for a set period of time. Pasteurization is used to kill salmonella without compromising the finished egg product's qualities. Separated whites and yolks, whole egg and yolk mixes, and whole eggs with extra additives are all examples of frozen egg products. They're made from pasteurized liquid egg products in a blast freezer at temperatures ranging from -10 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Frozen egg products have a lengthy shelf life when stored at temperatures below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Cracked eggs are removed from the egg processing line. Broken eggs are tossed into a bin and sold for use in dog food. Eggs with cracks but no leaks are removed for pasteurization and transformation into liquid egg products, which are marketed in cartons or plastic containers and may be frozen. They may be sent to another processor to be turned into powdered eggs, or they can be sold to local bakeries to be used in baked items. Many egg processors are aware of the environmental issues caused by polystyrene cartons and therefore encourage the recycling of product packaging. Quality control is performed throughout the egg processing process. First and foremost, the chicken farmer ensures that his hens are fed a diet specifically designed to produce the highest quality eggs. Laying hens want plenty of clean, fresh water. The hen house is well insulated, allowing the farmer to regulate the temperature. Effective candling is also necessary for quality control. Candling exposes almost everything about the quality of the eggs: age, cracks, clarity, and the absence of blood spots. Furthermore, most egg processors can tell a lot about the quality of an egg simply by glancing at its form and color. And with that, we bring this video to a close. Ultimately, salmonella is yet another risk in the egg industry. Nonetheless, it's believed that 90% of eggs are salmonella-free at the time they're laid. To ensure that the eggs are clean and fresh for the consumer, egg processors also move eggs fast from the processing to packaging. And that's all about automatic egg production machines and the process.